How to see deleted posts on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can see deleted posts on Reddit. So how can you see deleted posts on Reddit? Now, viewing deleted posts on Reddit isn't straightforward or most likely impossible since Reddit doesn't officially support this feature. But you can use third-party tools to access deleted content. But in order for you to use third-party tools, you have to ensure that you have the URL of the deleted post. Okay, you have to show that you have the URL of the deleted post, or you have the username, the subreddit name, or the link to the post that was deleted. Once you have this, the next will be for you to go to the Wayback Machine or to Reddit. So let's go there, go to your Chrome browser, and then in the search box type Reddit. Okay, and launch the site. And then once you're on the site, you can see Reddit reviews content typically removed from your Reddit account, and click on that. And once you're on the home page and you've created an account already, go ahead and post the username or the subreddit name of the post that you would like to find. All right, this is one tool. Another tool you can use is the Wayback Machine, like I said earlier. So once you have the URL, this Wayback Machine works only with the URL of deleted post. So if you have the URL, just go to your Wayback Machine, just in the search box of your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, just type Wayback Machine and click on it. And once it has loaded, go ahead, paste the URL, and you'll be able to see the deleted post that you are looking for. Another thing you can try is to check out the cache of your browser. All right, and it will show you the cached version of the page. So these are the various ways you can see deleted posts on Reddit on your mobile phone. So go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.